Hello, people. I'm so excited. Candace here. Today and tomorrow, we'll be bringing our last 2 days of the challenge. Excuse me. Last 2 days of the challenge, they will both be chair practices. Today, it'd be really helpful to have a strap or a towel or just something that can help you with some feedback. Let's get started. All right, plant both feet on the floor and sit up nice and tall. Take a few breaths. Settling in. Nice tall spine. Maybe lift and lower your chin. Move your head side to side and then take your chin back. Take your chin back so you have a nice long cervical spine. And then go ahead and take the strap that's in your hands. Hold it approximately hip and shoulder width apart. And give it a gentle tug. And then release. And give attention to your upper back. Give it a little tug. And release. You notice some muscles firing up and letting go back there. For this little section, we're going to focus on that part, the upper back and the shoulder blades, instead of solely just the arms lifting. Take your strap straight out with that little bit of tug. Lift straight up overhead and let the shoulder blades come with you. So lift the shoulder blades up. Not sure if you can see the silly puppy on the floor, but we have a silly puppy. And then lower the shoulder blades. So a lot of times when we do, keep repeating, a lot of times when we're doing these exercises, it feels like it's coming from here, from the socket, like we're extending, pulling our arms out of our sockets. And that's not what we're encouraging in these motions. Lift and lower. So we're trying to free up the upper back. Beautiful. Now, while you're lifted, take your hands wider. So you look like you're the letter Y, all right? We're gonna hold, give it a little tug, and now squeeze the shoulder blades together. Squeeze and release. Readjust if you need to. Squeeze and release, okay? Now, focus on broadening your upper back. Let the shoulder blades almost like they're trying to wrap around your rib cage. And then squeeze onto your back. All right, now bring it down again, out nice and wide. We'll do it behind, so it's not coming across our throat. Do it behind, nice and wide. Hold. Give your shoulder blades a squeeze. So they're coming nice and close together. And then relax. And then squeeze. And relax. Okay, and the next one, come on back up to our Y. That feels about right. So they're out, your arms are extended out on an angle. Now lead with your elbows here. So your strap is going to have some slack. Pinch the elbows back. So your arms look like a W. Okay, give a little squeeze. And then stretch back out to that Y. Moving the shoulder blades. Yeah, the upper back. Oh, feel that freedom developing. And up, down, hug it in. Remember, it's not straight up and down. Give a little bit of an angle. Back up to Y. And then down to W. Beautiful. Back straight up overhead. Bring your strap out to the T, back behind your back. Beautiful. And then maybe if it feels like you've got that range of motion to keep going all the way down to your lower back, go ahead. Out, up, and around. Now adjust that strap. We're moving from the front body all the way to the back and then back to the front, leading with your shoulder blades. So start with the shoulder blades down. Give a gentle, just a gentle guidance tug, if you will. Push forward. So you're opening up the shoulder blades. Keep going. Feedback with the strap. Come to lift up overhead. Let the shoulder blades rise. You're leading with the shoulder blades. Slowly come back and around. Now you're starting to pinch the shoulder blades. Yes, you can take that strap wider. And down into your W. Whew! How was that? Okay, I'm going to set that strap aside. That was awesome work. How do you feel? Just take a second here before we continue our body stretch today, our chair version body stretch. Whew. Maybe move a little bit through some seated cat-cow. How did that feel? I get a lot of feedback from people saying that that is an incredible opener. Whew. All right, sit up nice and tall. Shake those arms. Shake them out. Beautiful. Now bring your palms out in front of you. We're going to tap each fingertip, thumb to each fingertip. Give a gentle press and release. Gentle press and release. Gentle press. Keep going. Keep going. Open all. Squeeze it in. And release. Inhale, sweep it up. You're going to fold from the hips, right from the hips, and whew, shake out any stagnation. Get that body moving. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Whew. Excellent. All right, come back up to sitting nice and tall. If it was helpful to use your fingertip to help your neck get nice and long, do that. Then from there, tilt your head. Doesn't matter which way. And then round to the front of the body and over to the other shoulder. Back to the beginning. Think of the release. Letting go of the grip. Letting go of the grip. So some nice big breaths here. And exhale. Let your head follow you. Big breath in. Let your head follow to the other side. Nice. Turn and look over your right and left shoulder. Nice. All right. Come back out to your T. You might want a little bit of space on this one. Come a little more to the edge of your chair. Cross your arms over. Now right here, try not to cave your knees in as you're taking this twist. If it's helpful, if you've got a block or a pillow around, you can place the block there. Maybe you're using the back of the chair as a little bit of leverage. Maybe you're taking your hand down lower or around to the opposite hip. When you're ready for a breath in, come back up to I. Nice and tall, both arms up. Exhale and switch sides. Nice spinal rotation. Let go of the grip. So easing into these stretches, trying not to push as hard as you can. although it can be helpful to pay attention to the legs and finding stability in the legs. Inhale, come back up through center. Exhale, forward fold. Folding your torso over your legs. Inhale, come on up, big arm circle. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. We're going to do one more round. Notice those shoulder blades as they open. As when you come up and around, they come hugging to your back, hugging along the spine, and release your hands down to your lap. Beautiful. Well, hello there, Leo. Yes. Okay. Next, we're going to take that strap again along the bottom of your right foot. Bending right here at that hip crease, sitting up nice and tall. Start to forward fold. Just gently, hug the kneecap up. So you're activating the front of your leg here, the quadricep. Doing your very best to release the back of the leg. Beautiful. Come on back up. Simply switch sides. We're going to do the hamstring on the other side. Give this left an opportunity. Again, engaging the front of the leg. It takes a little bit of practice to note this balance. Engaging the front of the leg, trying to relax the back of the leg. This concept of lifting the kneecap. So pulling that kneecap up. Hinging right here from the hips. Big breath in. Exhale fully. Come on back up. Nice. Set that to the side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands through heart. Take a twist one way. Right away, come back up. Exhale, twist to the other side. Nice. Inhale, come back up through center. Exhale, hands to the lap. Then tilt and tuck the tailbone. So coming into seated cat-cow. And yes, those shoulder blades are opening up and then coming together. Opening up, giving that focus to that upper back while we're getting this nice full body range of motion. Beautiful. Slow it down. Turn your torso to the side of your chair. I just turned to my left, which means my right leg is to the front. Drop whatever leg is to the front down. All right. So in this space, you have this opportunity to tuck your toes and play around with a nice front thigh stretch. So give those hips a little tuck, maybe squeeze the glutes a little bit, holding onto your chair for some balance. Do your best to stack your shoulders right over. Ooh, needed to reset that side. Shoulders over your hips. Beautiful. Inhale, take that same right side, the hand, inhale, sweep it up, and around, and come right into the other side. Landing so that your left leg is inward. Set the back leg, tuck the toes, little tuck to the hip here. Maybe squeezing the glutes, maybe pushing a little bit into the floor. Breath in. Soften into the release. We're making space for the release of these muscles. We're going to do that fancy turnaround again. Inhale, sweep the left arm forward, come up and around all the way back to the opposite side. Right leg is inward. Inhale, sweep it up and around, a little dynamic movement. One more time. Inhale, sweep it up and around. Beautiful. This time we're coming back to center. Inhale up, both arms come out to a T, slide the legs parallel. Inhale, hands up and down to center. Ooh, a little wake up. This is a great midday stretch, early morning stretch. It's really great for any time of the day. Do me a favor, jump down into the comments and let me know what time of day that you used this practice and how did that feel in your body? How was it helpful? Did you feel like you climbed out of bed and you were a little achy and then, oh, all of a sudden you felt like you were a little more alive? I would love to hear. Really, really, I want to cheer your journey on. Let's close today's practice with peace, with love, and with gratitude. Namaste. See you tomorrow for our last day of our 30-day challenge.